Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to father about result and money. Let's get started. Examination hall, city ABC, date, my dear father, Assalamu alaikum. I am glad to inform you that I have passed the 5th class. I got first position in the class. Now I am sitting in the 6th class. I am in need of new books and uniform. Kindly send me 5,000 rupees. Pay my regards to mother and grandmother. Your loving son XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.